to give you 5 tips. F. The first is faith in God. Yun ang una. And second, family. Everything you should do para sa pamilya. Ang susunod na F ay fitness. Pero ang fitness can be divided into 4 items. The first is physical energy. Everything emanates from physical energy. The second is mental energy. When you exercise, you increase your endorphins and it will go to the brain para hindi ka mag-dementia. Then when you exercise, the energy goes to your heart, emotional energy. Magiging kang kinder, more compassionate, and more humble. At ang huli, spiritual energy. Kasi lahat naman tayo lilipas eh. So, hinahanda niyo na ba yung buhay niyo sa afterlife? At ang isang F na napakahalaga, friends. Dapat may inner circle of friends ka. You keep a 3 to 5 best friends that pwede mo makausap para ma-unveil mo yung mga problema mo at magkapalitan kayo.
Ganda.
Okay. Ang panghuli, F, Filipino. Kahit tayo, everyone, may 5% man lang ialay natin para sa bansa natin. That consolidated effort, it can actually be gigantic eventually.